All right, what's poppin', people? And we got a brand new tutorial today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make money with online with Clickbank. Clickbank is one of the largest affiliate networks in the world. It's a place where product vendors, doesn't matter what type of products, it could be from health to woodwork or pretty much anything. And you can go into the marketplace, and basically what happens is all these vendors, these people who have their own products, they can list their products on Clickbank. So Clickbank essentially is kind of like an affiliate network search engine. And basically what happens is when they list their products on Clickbank, you as an affiliate, because an affiliate is somebody who basically promotes products for these vendors, right? You can go to Clickbank, and basically what's going to happen is they're going to have an affiliate program. I'm going to log into my... Now, one of the things that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to prove the possibilities of what's possible. As you can see, like I got a fresh account here. I got nothing in there. So I'm literally going to be showing people what's possible in order to make money with Clickbank. They have an amazing course in there, and I've reviewed the course, went through all the training and stuff. I myself, I know how to do this already, right? So I don't really need to be going out there and doing all these things like purchasing or getting training or consulting from people. I literally can put it all together, launch, and then start marketing and promoting. But basically, the key to making money with Clickbank is to get your affiliate link. Now, that's what I'm gonna show you here. So when you go, they have the thing called the marketplace, Clickbank Marketplace, right? And so you can type in the type of product that you want to promote, right? So for instance, to give you an example of this video, like I'm teaching you how to make money with Clickbank. Now, I'm not gonna go super in depth into it, right? Because that defeats the entire purpose of why I want to put you into the right direction and show you that it is possible. The best, and I'll show you, the best training that I've come across is training actually from Clickbank itself. So who better to teach you and give you an in-depth solution to making money online with Clickbank like Clickbank itself, right? Because I mean, they have their own vendor, they're the ones who run the show. So they have their own product. And that's really cool. That's a game changer for a lot of you, because there's a lot of things that, people talk about legitimacy. Is it a scam? Is it a waste of time? And I rest assured, I'll tell you, this course is amazing. It has over 70,000 people who have taken the course. So Clickbank is banking hard. Clickbank is banking hard with this course. And the reason why they're banking hard is because it's value. It's really good. It's probably one of the best courses you're gonna find online, teaching you the X's and O's of how to do internet marketing, affiliate marketing, and making money. Let's see here. So let's go to the website here. So it's called Clickbank University. And there's a really good video here. You can check it out. Check out the website, go through the content. They have, proven 7-figure earners who are actually doing the training and giving you the content information. So these are people who are already tearing it up in Clickbank, and they're going to give you the X's and O's, A to Z, exactly what you need to do, step by step. And probably more than likely, you're gonna be wondering, well, what do I got to do? Well, they're gonna show you through video format, A, B, C, and D, exactly what you need to do, to step by step. What's working now? I mean, I highly encourage you, make sure that you're checking out all the information. Read it all through, okay? I know for a fact, like back in the day, let's say about 5 years ago, I started promoting Clickbank. I stopped because I started making money in different ways. But I'm gonna prove the concept again though. So there'll be an update video, maybe a month down the road at the time of this video, I'll probably launch another video and I'll show you exactly what I'm earning from Clickbank, promoting a product and earning my affiliate commission. So yeah, visit the link in the description. Okay, the link will direct you to Clickbank University here, and you'll be able to go through all this stuff, and you'll be able to get all the information you need to decide whether or not this is for you. This is live training daily. They do it. They have bi-weekly expert classes, special curated add-on trainings. You know, a lot of they have. You know, it's the real deal, basically. So any other training courses out there, I don't recommend. I really don't recommend them when it comes to promoting Clickbank, because end of the day, who better to teach you how to do Clickbank than Clickbank themselves, right? They'll show you exactly what you need to do. But to give you an idea, I mean, if you just want to try it on your own, okay, it's as easy as going to the marketplace. Let's say I want to food recipes, okay? Let me fix that. Click enter. Blended bites, healthy snacks. Okay, so it's as easy as typing in, you know, a niche specifically catered towards what you want to promote. And then let's see, clicking on a product, you'll see they'll give you an example of everything that you can make here. Average sale 75%, average sale 70%, initial sale $11. So for every to give you an example of what, let's say if I decided to do the fat burning meals, right? You can see right here, the average sale is 75%. So you would earn 75% of $11.54. And then the rebill, people pretty much rebill at least for 3 months. And so it says right here, average rebill total about $32, right? So that's kind of passive income, right? So you actually earn reoccurring income from just doing that. So let's see, you could check out the website, pretty nice website. Pretty basic, basically straightforward. Yeah, really good website. I like it. No video. I haven't seen any video here, but let me see. Let's check the gravity. Gravity's pretty low. So let's see if we can gravity keto resources. So this one has a high gravity. 188. That means a lot of affiliates are promoting it. When you got a high gravity, that means it means a lot of people are promoting it, and it means that it's converting, right? That's the psychology of gravity and all that. So yeah, very nice website. Way better. So let's say if I wanted to promote this website, okay? Promote this product. I would click promote. Now, how do you promote it, right? So I promoted it on YouTube, basically. I would create a tutorial around, you know, maybe information based on, let's see, the product is keto, right? Keto. So some people are searching for keto-related videos, how-to videos. So I would basically create a keto video, an instruction video on what ketosis is, maybe, and then a recommended product. So basically, I'd give them some free information, and then I would go into the product. I'd review the product. This is the best product that you're gonna want to get a hold of. People will buy the product because it's called keyword targeting. You're basically, when you create a video, you're gonna be going through an SEO format of a checklist of all the things you need to do to start pushing your video into the keyword rankings of YouTube search. So if I want information on keto, I'm going to be visiting, let's say I'm the customer, I'm going to be visiting YouTube, and then I'm going to be typing in ketosis. What is ketosis? Or how to do ketosis, or keto recipes, or something like that, right? And then my video is going to pop up because I've optimized my video, and basically my videos is going to be related to the keyword. And so when you put 2 and 2 together, right? You know, the relevancy of your content, the optimization, the keyword, and all that stuff, and the content. And basically, the content's the most important. And the viewer gets the content they want. They're gonna click the link. They're gonna click the link in the description. Once they click the link in the description, you get a sale. So basically, I would get average sales 100%. So I earn a $16 sale, and I think that's just a one-time sale, right? But yeah, that's basically what you do, and you can continuously, basically creating videos on products, on information, giving people free information, and then recommending a product if they want a more organized, legitimate product that's put together, maybe in PDF format or video format, something like that, right? But that's basically how you make money from YouTube. I mean, how you make money from Clickbank, and also how you make money from YouTube as well. Doing reviews, doing recommendations, giving free information, how-to videos, right? And so, I highly recommend, I encourage you, the link's in the description there, okay? When you click the link, you're going to go to Clickbank University. I highly recommend this course. A lot of success stories, okay? If you want to speed up the process, you want to get massive results, you're going to want to go to the source, which is Clickbank itself, right? And basically, in a nutshell, this is going to change what you need to do. I will be releasing my own YouTube SEO course, basically giving an A to Z format of how to rank videos, what type of videos to create, and all that stuff. So if you got any questions and you want to get ahead of the line, maybe you want me to consult for you personally and show you exactly how to do YouTube rankings and all that stuff. I'm not cheap, so don't, you know what I mean? I'm just going to say that right now. I'm not cheap when it comes to one-on-one consulting. But if you want to jump ahead, I can show you how to do everything that I'm doing to rank my videos immediately. I also have a system in place that would help you speed rank your videos and get high rankings, literally overnight. So you could be possibly making money overnight, right? Nothing's guaranteed, obviously, but there's a learning curve, right? Can you comprehend the instructions that I give you? Can you put it all together? If you hired me to consult for you, I'll hold your hand and I'll help you get there. And I'll show you what you need to do, but it's very important for you to take action with the information that I give you, right? So click the link. You want to learn how to make money online with Clickbank. Go through the content, do all that stuff. And yeah, if you got any questions, you could probably hit me up on Facebook if you could find me. And yeah, I look forward to your results. Let me know what type of results you're getting from this. And if there's any questions, if you bought the product through my link below, don't hesitate to message me. If you bought the product, if you bought the product through my link in the description and you purchased it, don't hesitate to send me a message. I can answer any questions that you have. Consider that as my bonus, right, to push you in the right direction. But it's important. Go through the course, go through their training, do all that stuff first before you message me. Because pretty much when you ask me questions that is already given to you in the Clickbank University course, then you're kind of wasting both our time, right? Go through the course and then message me, and then I'll give you a hand, okay? Peace.